Okay, first I start with Maybelline. He has SPF 19, it's very good for summer. Pop on my hand, just a little bit. And have my buffing brush and buff in my skin. I start first from my nose upwards and buffing in my skin. If you need more coverage, you put more foundation where you need. Next we need the concealer. I use Bourjois Healthy Mix. And I have Samantha Chapten Real Techniques. Pop on my hand and conceal. I have darkness in here. And puff with your finger. This look more natural. And a little bit puff on your eyebrows, because it's later when you feel your eyebrows you don't see it's redness. For me, I have in here redness. For my blemishes I have this NYX. This is like not concealer, it's like foundation, foundation stick. Where I got a puffin in the skin for blending. Top here. Actually, you don't need more of this because it's very pigmenting. Just a little bit, because of this mine I use on my skin for me, but if you have a client you use on your hand. And then with brush you put on the client. Next, secure everything on the place. I use my Clinique powder. This is loose powder. I put on my hand. I don't want too much powder, and powder just where I need it, in T-zone. Just for sealing. I use Clinique pencil in blonde, number soft blonde. Not much. It's not so easy get shape where you be happy. Okay. Of course my eyebrows not perfect, not match to each other, because my eyes and my face is not perfect. From Clinique is next is pencil, is highlight, and I use this highlight for highlight. Now we start with eyes. Today we do purple eyes, smoky eyes. Rimmel London. This color is matte. Pop on my hand. and blend in. Again, pop and blend in. What he does is it's like base for dark eyeshadows. You will blend up to your crease. We use matte eyeshadow. Now we use Front Color eyeshadow palette. I got this in Boots and I love it, this color. You see? This color. Okay, pop. And blend in. Just watch, don't put too high because my eyes are small. Don't have so much space. If I put high, I look very not nice. When you have smoky eye, you put dark underneath, lighter in here. I got clean. This is Lorraine Look blending brush, and just blend this color. Don't have harsh lines. The same on the other eye. I have blending brush. Is MAC 239. 239. And I take the same dark color. It's actually birth color, and I put and blend in. Okay. A bit more. Again, clean brush and blend a harsh line. Avon Super Shock eyeliner, black metallic. It's like shimmer. Yes, shimmer. Looks like this. And top is Samantha Chaptin brow pencil. Push in your eye. Put that color like eyeliner, and quite a lot. Don't worry about straight line. Take your branding brush, MAC 239 again. Okay, go to next eye. Put your eyeliner. This can't be perfect. Blending. Avon is Super Shocked eyeliner, is black and metallic. Now it's focus. And put a little underneath, in the middle, not far. If you put eyeliner in here, your eyes get smaller. if you put an eyeliner in the middle, in here in the middle, your eyes look bigger and nicer. And we want a little bit highlighting here. I use again from this palette, I use this color. Take my pencil brush, this is from Sigma E30, right in the here and blend it. And on the other eye, right in the crease, and blend. Okay, if you want you can put higher. I like when I put higher, my eyes look bigger. And a little bit the same color, what I use in the crease, put over eyebrow for nice highlights. Blend with in here. This rosy color from Bourjois is 05. I use over here. For blend colors, I use Elizabeth Arden with this color. It's like black and the waterline. On the other eye. I don't want to use like black, all black color because it's too harsh. And over here. This is Elizabeth Arden Smoky Eye Conmental number 02. Okay, and blend in. Always blend. Of course, first time when I did smoky eye, it's very hard to do this. And see you next soon. Bye bye.